Voting for 70 members Delhi Assembly begins on 8 February. Counting of votes on 11 February. And ESU Palace Compound defeats Neroka FC Sangakpam to clinch 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League Championship title. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You are watching Tuesday After News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this afternoon. Voting for 70 members at Delhi Assembly will be held on the 8th of next month and counting of 11th February. The notification will be issued on 14th of this month and last date of nomination will be 21st of January. Addressing a press conference in New Delhi, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora said the poll panel is committed to conduct free and fair polls. He said 90,000 policemen will be deployed for polling process. Sunil Arora said over 13,000 polling stations will be set up for more than 1.46 crore voters in the national capital. The term of current assembly will expire on 22nd of February. In 2015 assembly elections, AAP had won 67 seats with 54.34% vote share, while BJP grabbed 3 seats with 32.19% vote share. Congress failed to win a single seat with just 9.65% of votes in its favor. Deputy Chief Minister cum Uripok MLA Yumnam Joy Kumar today inaugurated a community hall named Imoinu Shanglen at Lamboy Kongnangkong in Imphal West. President of Imal Thogol Lub W. Kesho, Advisor of Uripok Semgat Sagatpa Apun Ballub Yumnam Ongbi Ipe Pishak, and former President of United Friends Library and Club T.H. Shuraboro attended the event organized by Ima Thogol Lub Lamboy Kongnangkong. Speaking on the occasion, Y. Joy Kumar assured of further developmental projects as per the needs of the locals.
Aidi Ladybird, the Kaigi, Kaigi constituency, Ladybird, Lamdamdugi, the Kaigi Yanka, Missing the Kaida, the Vida, I the Simbiaba, Tobiaba, and Tomoni. Say that Kanaka Makana. I want the board being behind a Adu Secretary. Quick block Kanaminaga, Carmine to see a Kari Puliendo, Madu Yanga, Swin and Tabuko Tomidisi. We book and we quite a Maru, quite a bit of Dakar, you say, the Bull Turianki, Massi has elected about to say, Massi, I think in the moment, private tea. She's showing a great Tawani, already CGC projects, I bet Black and Lermany, I come there, Tani, Hogi, Matang the D. Sri Sri
Jagannath Mandir in Thangal Bazaar observed the first anniversary of installation of statues of Hindu deities Lord Balabhadra, Subhadra and Jagannatha in the temple today. Devotees thronged the temple since early morning to offer prayers to mark the day. Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur in a press release has informed that 5-day Gangai celebrations will kick off from January 8. Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur sends heartiest festive greetings to everyone and urge people to partake in the festival. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on ESU Palace Compound winning the 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Tuesday After News on Impact TV. ESU Palace Compound has bagged the championship title of the 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League. In a final match played at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground today, ESU Palace Compound beat Neroka FC Sangakpam. For the winners, Tumsol Tonson scored 1 goal at 67th minute in a penalty shootout. ESU Palace Compound's player Mohammad Wazid Khan was slammed with red card by centre referee for playing against rule at 10th and 50th minute of the match. The Football League was held under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. General Secretary of All Manipur Sports Association, R.K. Sanayaima, and eminent persons of All Manipur Football Association felicitated winners of the Football League at the valedictory event. Odisha FC defeated Chennaiyin FC by 2-0 in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Odisha's Kalyani Stadium played yesterday. For the winners, Jerry Mawing Ming Thanga and Vinit Rai scored 1 goal each at 37 and 41st minute of the match. Goa FC will play against Northeast United FC in the league match tomorrow. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Voting for 70 members Delhi Assembly begins on 8 February. Counting of votes on 11 February. And ESU Palace Compound defeats Neroka FC Sangakpam to claim 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League Championship title.